Are you ready to discover the keys to financial independence and prosperity? Then watch this video to the end and you will learn how to accumulate, save and increase your money. Jack is a little boy of 5 who loves to collect coins and a piggy bank. One day, Jack's father went to the bank and took him with him. At the bank, Jack saw that some people were depositing money in their savings account. Jack was very interested in this and asked his father what is a savings account. Then the father replied, "If you are interested, then we can go to a bank clerk and he will answer all your questions." The bank clerk tells Jack that a savings account is a way to save money and earn a small percentage of your savings from the bank. The bank clerk told Jack that he too can open his own savings account and start saving now. Then Jack asked his father to help him open a savings account. The father agreed and Jack opened a savings account and his father put the first dollar into it. Over the years, Jack regularly brought money to the bank and put it aside in his savings account. Thanks to perseverance, dedication, and regular replenishment of the savings account, Jack accumulated a decent amount of capital. And at the end of the university, Jack bought himself a brand new Ferrari Sport Cup. Jack was proud of himself because he saved up and bought this car himself. Friends and classmates were happy for Jack and even invited him a little. Because they did not have such a cool car, Jack has educated himself, started his own business, and still saves money in his savings account, which he and his father opened for him. Now Jack has a large family, a nice house with a pool and a good job, but Jack still goes to the bank every month and top up your savings. Jack realized that thanks to the determination and regularity of replenishing a savings account, you can achieve any goal and buy everything you want.